Trent McDuffie, number 21, he's in good position. He just loses the ball when he tries to turn around and locate. A.J. Brown has it zeroed in the entire time. Those are the plays they brought A.J. Brown to Philadelphia. The blockbuster trade on draft night. They're almost impossible to beat if they protect the ball. You'll see there Nick Bolton, number 32. He gets the strip, the fumble recovery, and the touchdown. Jalen Hurts just having a hard time putting runs or giving him fits. Watch Nick Bolton. He goes with Miles Sanders on the short motion. There's nobody left. Jason Kelsey kicks him out, but they bump, and he hits his head on the goalpost. Short motion, they're trying to pass it off. They're expecting him to run some sort of shallow, some sort of over route. Two guys end up going with Travis Kelsey, and he's wide open for a walk-in touchdown.
And so the extra point would give Kansas City their first lead of the day. Second half, this offense has come alive. Butker, and the extra point is up.
Drives. It's the same exact play they ran earlier with Kadarius Toney, and they don't pass it off again. We saw Toney do it on the previous touchdown. Two guys went with Kelsey. All they did was swap out Sky Moore for Kadarius.
We're tied at Super Bowl 57. Wow, 46 yards to Devontae Smith. Jeffrey Lurie and Howie Roseman of the Eagles. Here's Smith, who got wide open. And then Hurts, a Super Bowl record, 3 rushing touchdowns by a quarterback. The 2-point conversion is good. And we are tied.